Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing up with an email and creating a username that's memorable. This matters because it's how others find you. Once done, pick a clear avatar and one or two display icons to establish your visual identity. Make sure to set a strong password and toggle basic privacy options. Then confirm your email so account features unlock. This prevents later restrictions. Finally, think about a concise handle and visibility settings before moving to detailed profile fields. Now you complete the core profile fields. Explain who you are in a short bio and state pronouns to reduce confusion. Why this matters. Clear bios attract like-minded followers and faster interactions. Next, add optional details like location or birthday to personalize, and link one external social or portfolio so people can explore more. Once done, upload a small gallery or outfit images and choose a featured post. This creates a first impression and makes your profile look active and curated. You finalize setup by verifying email and reviewing privacy settings. Enabling two-step login adds security. After saving, preview your profile on both mobile and desktop to confirm layout and image cropping. Then publish or make the page public so others can follow and message you. If something goes wrong, like images not uploading or fields not saving, try clearing your browser cache, re-uploading, or resetting your password. If that fails, contact support with screenshots to resolve account-specific issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.